Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, and in this session we will talk about rotate command, how to use rotate command by using a specific reference. For example, I have one rectangle here and I want to rotate this rectangle by using this line reference. Just press arrow for rotate command and then select your object, press enter. Now specify base point, single click on the one point and then hit on the reference or press R. Now specify the reference from here to here and then press P for point or click here, and now first click and the second click, and you can see our rectangle is rotate on our specific reference